hello to all you wonderful people of YouTube. It's Vincent from Wonders of London. I hope you're all doing well and having a good day. And London is in spring, so it's quite fantastic. And just here by Queen Victoria Street, where you can get the bus number 4 either to Archway or Blackfriars, I wanted to show you something quite lovely. And one thing I do love more than spring in London, or a little bit more than spring, it's a bit of a competition for me as to what I love, spring or reflections. And I do love the reflections that you can get from the London buildings. We have a lot of glass buildings in London, but also London does tend to rain quite a lot, and when it does rain you can get phenomenal photo opportunities in the reflections that form on the water. But some of the buildings, as you can see here, do afford us some fantastic reflections, and one of my favorite reflections is just here on Queen Victoria Street, because in a few moments we're going to see St. Paul's Cathedral popping into the reflection, and you can see it just coming through over there. And how fantastic is that? We've got St. Paul's reflected in blue and yellow, and of course I'll just show you the actual St. Paul's Cathedral, one of the most famous London structures, and you can see it from many places, many different places in London. And it is that beautifully domed building designed by Sir Christopher Wren after the Great Fire of 1666 burned down the old St. Paul's Cathedral. And of course we've had many new buildings go up since 1666, and one of these buildings is just here, where you can get some phenomenal reflections of St. Paul's Cathedral. Just have a look at that. In any case, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do have a lovely morning, afternoon, evening, etc. wherever you are. And remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and help us keep growing. Bye.